Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform Mann Whitney U test and its interpretation in JAMOVI. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, econometrics and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the Mann Whitney test. Now we know that Mann Whitney U test is used as an alternative to independent samples t test. So normality assumption is not required to perform this test. So when we have two independent groups and our continuous variable is not normally distributed, or if we have ordinal scale data, then we can use Mann Whitney U test. So here you can see I have the hypothetical data. First variable is branch, in which we have two categories. So you can see here in branch we have two categories, rural and urban. So what is the scenario? Suppose a company wants to understand the difference in customer satisfaction level for two various branches. One branch is in rural and another branch is in urban. So my first variable or grouping variable is branch, and second variable is ratings, customer ratings on a scale of 1 to 10. And we are interested to know whether we have any significant difference in customer ratings between rural and urban branch. So therefore we can use Mann Whitney U test. Now what is the null hypothesis in this case? H0 says that there is no significant difference in customer rating. So mu rural is equal to mu urban. There is no significant difference. An alternative hypothesis says that we have significant difference. That means customer ratings of rural people or rural branch is significantly different from urban branch. Now let's understand the procedure to perform the Mann Whitney U test. So first we go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of t tests. In t tests go to independent samples t test. In independent samples t test, instead of selecting students t, so you unselect this and select or tick Mann Whitney U test. Now what is our dependent variable? It is ratings. So move ratings to dependent variables box. Grouping variable is branch. So move branch to grouping variable box. Select effect size, descriptives both, and then check the result. So now let's understand the result first. Here we have the median. Since it is non-parametric test, we see median. So median of rural branch is 5, urban branch is 7. Sample statistic is 11. And associated p-value is less than 0.001. Therefore, this result is statistically significant. So we reject H0. Now since we reject H0, we conclude that we have the significant difference in customer ratings between rural and urban branch. So that is the idea of interpretation. Now let's understand the effect size here. So here the effect size is 0.914. And we use rank biserial correlation. Now since this value is greater than 0.5, we have large effect size. Large effect size. So this is how we perform the Mann Whitney U test and interpretation of p-value and effect size. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.